Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset any Govee device. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're running into any issues with any Govee products. This is how you reset your device. Now this particularly works mainly for 3-button control Govee products, but the first thing that you can do, no matter which Govee product it is that you can unplug your Govee product and then leave it unplugged for about 10 minutes and then replug it back in. Once you replug it back in, see if the issue still persists. Now if you have a 3-button Govee product like this shown right here, what you can do next is that you can hold the power button, and then once you're holding down the power button, you want to press the middle button 4 times. Once you do that, you should see your Govee lights start flickering, and that should be the signal for its resetting itself. But once you do that, check and see if the issue still persists. I did this myself, and this was how I was able to fix my Govee TV Backlight 3, and hopefully it does help you out as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset any Govee product. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.